Animation videos are exploding right now. Just look at channels like Cocomelon and My Animated Story. They are pulling in millions of views every single day. And guess what? That could be you too. If you have been stuck wondering whether should I start my own channel or not, then take this as your sign. The time to start your animation journey is now. But wait, I know what you're thinking. I don't have animation skills. I don't know the tools. So how can I even begin? Well, that's when the big question everyone is asking. And in this video, I'm going to give you the exact answer. Stick with me till the end because what I am about to reveal will not only help you create your own animations, but will also save a ton of times and money. This might just be the shortcut you have been waiting for. Let me show you something. A glimpse of what I created without learning any animation skills or by spending huge money on 10 different apps. Take a look.
You know, walking together like this feels kind of special.
Yeah, it does. Oh, hey, there's a veggie market nearby. Want to check it out?
Look at this. Doesn't this daikon kind of look like a face?
Then this cabbage can be me, and tonight I'll be in your curry.
Did you see? It is so cool, right? Now, what if I told you that you can also create the same kind of premium high quality cartoon videos just in a few hours and absolutely free? I know it sounds crazy, but with Autodraft AI, it is possible. And the craziest part is that with Autodraft AI, you can now create a 30-minute long cartoon videos in just 24 hours. Yup, not days, not weeks, not months, only 24 hours. I know it is hard to believe, but make sure you watch this video till the end because in this video, I will tell you about some of the latest features of Autodraft AI that won't just convince you, but will probably inspire you to start your own cartoon YouTube channel. So, let's get started. First thing first, go to Google search and search for Autodraft AI. Click on the very first link and sign in. You will then land on the dashboard of Autodraft AI. Here you can see all the AI tools which you can use to create your animations. First, we have our animation studio where most of our work is done. Then we have AI image generation to generate high quality images. Next is AI voiceover to create your own voiceovers, and finally we have AI video option to create high quality videos. Then on the left hand side you can see the project option to create a new project and has all your previous saved projects. Then we have image generation option with multiple styles to choose from to edit. Then we have audio generation option where you can find multiple ways to generate your voiceovers. And lastly, we have AI video where you can create amazing cinematic videos. Now that we have understood the basic features of Autodraft AI and what it does, let's get started and create amazing animations. First, go to the project and open a new project. Name it, select the canvas size and create a new project. Once created, you will land on the editing canvas where you can see various tools on both the sides, left and right. Then there is a timeline in the bottom and with few more editing tools. Now comes the interesting part. Let us learn each tool one by one. On the left hand side, the first tool that we have is of character. Once you click on it, you will find various ready-made characters like boy, girl, middle-aged man, women, officers, warriors, god, etc. Next, we have the media option where users can import their own animated image and videos and audios. Then we have scenes where you will find ready-made scenes to use in your animation that will help to reduce your editing time significantly. Then we have image generation where you can create and generate high quality animated images. Then we have AI video option to create high quality animated videos. Next is AI voiceover to create your own voiceovers. Here you can also clone your voice, create sound effects, etc. Next we have AI thumbnail maker where we will create high quality, high CTR % thumbnails for our final video. Then we have AI characters that we use to create our own customized character of our own choice, that too from scratch. Yes. And finally we have Anim IK to custom make animation of our own choice, again from scratch. Next, on the right hand side, we have effects where you will find multiple visual effects, filters and transitions, and then we have music option where you can find multiple copyright free background musics in multiple genres and sound effects. Then at the bottom, we have our timeline, and these plus minus buttons are here to compress and expand our timeline for easier editing. And we have this small plus sign, as you can see on your screen, to increase the duration of our timeline according to our video length. And this side, we have camera option, split option and duplicate option. We have a few more tools, but for that, we will first add a character on our timeline. So select your character tool. Now you can see here, characters have different pose options. They also have like 500 plus animations option from which you can choose as per your own choice. Now once selected, the character will appear on the timeline as shown. Now place it accordingly on the timeline, adjust the character size. Now here you can see different tools again like flip, path, speed, AI animate, mask, opacity, props and delete. Then on the right hand side, you can see tools like replace, controls, etc. Now, if you want to flip the character, you can do that by using flip option above. If you want to move your character from one place to another, you can use the path tool. Simply click on the character, select the path tool, adjust point A and point B of the character and done. See? So easy. Similarly, you can increase or decrease the opacity of a character. See, we mainly use this tool when we have to make horror characters. And you can also add props in your character by using the props tool. As you can see, we have multiple props options also available. Now, you have other tools on the right side as well. For example, let us use the replace tool. Select the present character on your timeline, click on the replace, and now select the character you want to replace it with. And just click done. Now with the animate tool, you can add animation of your own choice in the character. With the control tool, you can enable eye blink, speaking option. In fact, here only you can add the facial expressions in your character and can also add secondary and tertiary animation. Then you have other tools like accessories, speed, transform, effect and music. And we have already discussed effects and music earlier in this video. Now that we have understood all our tools in detail, let's begin with our animation. First, let us begin with character selection. On the left side menu, click on the character icon. You will find more than 500 characters waiting for you. Then in the search bar, for example, I am typing here Western to reveal all the Western looking characters. From here, choose the one that fits best in your script. I have selected this girl character. Now click on the edit button next to her, and a new window will open that will direct you to character editor. Here you can edit your character using AI prompts. For example, if I want to change the dress color to white, I will just type that here in and hit generate. And voila, our character now wears a white dress. After making modifications, don't forget to preview the animation and don't forget to save it. This ensures your character remains consistent across all the animations that you're going to create. Another method is manual editing. Inside the characters editor, if you scroll down, you will see different layers of characters such as head, eyes, lips, hands, palms, body, leg, and additional tools. Select the body part you want to change and browse through the options you have designed yourself and download from the internet. For example, I am here selecting the torso option, right? And I'm uploading my own torso design. Now once uploaded, choose freeform so that the design element is fully in place. Then hit done. Sometimes the upload design won't align perfectly, so you will have to manually adjust it. Now simply select the part, click edit, resize and position it where you need. You can continue the same way for the other body parts as well, like the legs, hands, face, etc. A key point here is, if you are editing, let's say left arm, make sure to only replace it with the left arm so that your character looks natural. Now finally, once all modifications are done, remember to save the character. Name your new character and it will now appear in your character library under that saved name. You can confirm by searching once in your library. Now, once you have found it, just select it, add any animation of your choice and boom. Your customized character is ready to shine in your animations. Similarly, now with this tool, you can make n numbers of characters of your own choice that suits best in your story. Now, let us move on to image generation. First, we will generate our background. For that, we will save a reference image from internet beforehand and simply import it. Here, I have taken a beautiful scenery from Japan. Next, we will select the ratio. I have chosen freeform. After that, we will select image stylization and generate the prompt. Then we will choose a particular style in which we want our image to be generated. Here I have chosen aesthetic anime style. As you can see, there are other options also available. Then you can also set advanced edition options like prompt strength, condition factor, condition scale, creativity settings, etc. And then finally hit generate. Now AI will do its magic and your static image is ready as a high quality animated image. Now let us understand how to use AI video generation tools to create high quality AI videos. Go to AI video generation. Here you will see upload reference image section. Again, simply import the image that you want and then generate the prompt. Now select the mode, resolution and time accordingly and then hit generate. AI will do its magic and your static image is now ready as a high quality video, not image, video. Simply click on it, it will appear on your timeline, adjust it on timeline for the duration you want and adjust the frame accordingly on your canvas. Now let us understand how to add voice to an animation. We can add voices in 3 different ways. First, we will click on AI voice. Here you will see options like AI voice cloning and AI sound effect. Below that, you will also find text to voice or say text to speech option. And then there is voice option and sound option. Now when you click on the voice option, you will see 100 plus voices available that can be used in several languages available in multiple gender and sound and in different age categories. Now next we will generate voice using text to speech. The process is somewhat similar. In this box, we will first add our text, basically our dialogue instead of recording it. Then we will select a suitable voice, language, gender and age for our character and generate the voice like this. We will use the same process to generate all other dialogues. Within seconds, we have our voices ready using this one tool.
You know, walking together like this feels kind of special.
Yeah, it does. Oh hey, there's a veggie market nearby. Wanna check it out?
Okay, let me first show you how to generate an AI voice using speech-to-speech feature, basically using a pre-recorded audio or voiceover. Simply import the file, select the voice you want from the voice option, select the gender and the age and the language and hit generate. And in a few seconds, your dialogues is generated thanks to AI. Similarly, we can generate different dialogues using speech-to-speech option. Now, this becomes helpful if you are a solo creator. See, it is not always possible to create every type of voice. Like, I can't make a male voice. So, this tool, you can record your dialogue in your own voice and then change it to any other gender or any other voice using Autograph AI tools. This way, the emotions also sounds much more natural and real. It's just like magic, right? And finally, the third way to generate voice is by AI voice cloning. To generate voice using this tool, first click on AI voice clone, then upload a voice sample. Rename it, don't forget to rename it, and click to generate and create a clone of your own voice. After that, your clone voice will be available in the voice section. Go back to AI voice and click on voice, and then here search the name that you have saved your clone voice in. Now simply select the voice style and create multiple dialogues and voiceovers using your own clone voice. Now this with one tool, you can create voiceover, let's say for an hour or 2 hours without having to record. Alright, now that we have all our voices ready, let us add them into the scene that we have created earlier. Here's the fun part. You are the director of the show, which means you can control exactly how your scene should look, sound and feel. Let us do this step by step. First, select the character you want, add the lip sync to it. Now head over to the control panel on the right side. Here you will see a bunch of options like speaking, eye blink, shadow with size and opacity settings, plus crying animation and my favorite, expressions. Now scroll down a little further, you will find secondary animations for your hands and legs. Let us try one. I will select lip sync with hand to expressions for this character along with speaking, yes. Now for the other character too, similar setting. I will turn on speaking to yes. So lip sync gets added there too. And that's it. Done. Easy, right? Now we have got ourselves a talking while walking scenes in just a minute. But why stop here? Let us extend the scene. I will add a supermarket scene. From here, I can modify the background assets, and if I want something, let's say totally different, like a street vegetable market, I just hop over to image generation, use the image stylization tool, select a reference image and hit generate. And boom, look at that. A brand new vegetable market background is ready in seconds. Isn't it pretty amazing? Now let us add our dialogues here too. You already know the drill. Generate voice using AI voice tool. Place them on timeline, select your character, turn on speaking in control section, add expressions, and again, your lip sync fully animated scene is ready in just few minutes. Alright, time to take our scene to the next level. We can make it way more interesting by adding some cool effects. Imagine this. It is snowing while our characters are walking. Romantic, isn't it? Let's add that. Head over to the control panel on the right side. Here you will see three options: effects, filters, and transitions. Let us pick the snowfall effect and drag it onto our timeline just like this as shown on your screen. Adjust it according to the duration of the scene and wow, wow, this instantly gives our scene such a romantic, such a beautiful vibe. Now, let us check out filters. These can completely change the mood of your video and can give it a cinematic touch. I will add the vignette filter. Adjust the opacity in the top panel and look at that. Isn't it stunning? But wait, the real game changer here is the camera tool. Why keep the scene static when you can make it dynamic? Here's how we'll do it. Set camera A as a white frame at the start and camera B zoom in a closure to the characters as shown on the video. Now play it back. You will see camera slowly zooming in while the couple walk across the street. It is so smooth. You can also create a panning effect. Just keep camera A at the starting point and camera B a little further ahead. Now, as the character moves, the camera follows them, just like in a real film shoot. And hey, shouldn't we add a snowfall sound effects too? Easy. Just go to AI voice panel on the left hand side. Search for snowfall like I am doing here under the sound effect, generate it and drag it onto your timeline, adjust the length and boom, done. Now your scene does not just look romantic, it actually feels alive. Now to make our video even more engaging, let's add some amazing background music because music feels real. On the right hand side panel, you will find music library and trust me, there are thousands of background tracks available here, perfect for every mood and situation. Just pick the one that fits your scene and drag it onto your timeline. Now, once the music is in place, play your video end to end to make sure everything looks and sounds perfect. Now, let us understand how we can customize animation too. Yes, you heard that right. We can customize and make our own animation. Let me show you how we can do this. If we want to create our own animation, the first step is to click on the Anim IK option here as shown on the screen. This will open up the custom animation interface. Here you will see the add frame and play button at the top along with the save option and a timeline at the bottom. To start creating an animation, move a few frames ahead on the timeline. Then add your movement to your character depending on the animation you want. For example, here I am adding the hand movement. Once that is done, click add frame to insert a keyframe. Since I want my character to perform a hand wave animation, I will follow the same process. Move a few frames forward on the timeline, adjust the hand movement and then add a keyframe to the timeline. Repeat this process and that's it. Your custom animation is ready. Now once you have done it, play it, review it And if your animation looks good, then simply save your animation here. Now go back to the character menu, select any character and head to its animation section. In the search bar at the top, type the name you gave to your custom animation while saving. Let's just say I have saved it with custom animation XYZ. You will see your animation appear, and now you can simply apply it to any of the character just like that. It's that simple. With this tool, you can easily create any kind of animation you want. You want a person to be walking and pushing the ball, you can do that as well. Now let us understand how to create thumbnails. Again, it is super simple. Just pick the frames of your animation that you feel would make the best thumbnail and will narrate the story. Go to the AI thumbnail on the left hand side, capture the frame which you like. Here you can set the image ratio. I have kept it freeform, then enter your prompt. Write a relevant thumbnail title and choose the thumbnail style from the given option. I'm going with the default style. Finally click generate, and that's it. In just few seconds, your high quality, high CTR thumbnail will be ready. So now what are you waiting for? You have literally got everything, every tool on just one platform. This is your sign to start your animation journey today. Well, that's all about it. Now that you have all the tools plus the information about those tools on how to use and create premium quality cartoon animation videos, what are you waiting for? Start your animation journey today and make amazing animated video stories, rhymes, completely free with Autodraft AI. Now, if you have found this video helpful or enjoyed learning something new, make sure you drop a like, comment your views and share it with your friends and family. And yes, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so that every time we put out a new video, you never miss an update. In our next video, we will try to delve into even more powerful tips to level up your animation game. Until then, keep experimenting, keep creating, and remember, you don't need a big budget to make amazing animated content. All you need is your creativity and Autodraft AI. And yes, don't forget to check our community. The link is in our bio. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.